Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Keys. We're live on CoinMarketCap Alexandria. Looking at altcoins, it says what is Rally RLY token. So we'll be looking at these article review. Articles done by the Coin Poop. So you guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, you want to click on the subscribe button linked to this video. So you also want to click on the notification button, turn it on, so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial updates on crypto news, money making tools, and lots of other airdrops. You want to click on the comment section, drop your feedbacks, click on the like button, and you can also share this video to your loved ones that may need this knowledge. So Rally wants to build up the creator economy. So Rally RLY token is a social token protocol enabling creators to launch a customized social token and create an individual economy around their work. So currently the biggest social token project by market capitalization, Rally offers several benefits to creators and their fans alike. First and foremost, launching a social token on Rally enables creators to monetize their community more directly instead of relying on sponsorship deals, merchandising, or other middleman-based monetization methods. So creators directly benefit from their fans' investments in them. In this fashion, fans and creators can forge a more intimate connection where the fan has a direct stake in the creator's work through holding equity. Finally, superfans that invest heavily can be rewarded accordingly, allowing for tiered access to exclusive benefits and perks. Fans can support their favorite streamers, artists, musicians, gamers, athletes, or general content creators in a more meaningful way and unlock access to exclusive perks and community rewards by holding a creator's coin. Furthermore, they can benefit from network rewards for community participation and without fees or advertising. This was founded in 2020 by several media professionals and experts in the crypto economy. Rally's executives, Bremner Morris, Kurt Patat, and Nick Millman have combined work experience at Patreon, YouTube, and other media companies. Among Rally's investors are A16Z, Coinbase Ventures, Balaji Srinivasan, the ex-CTO of Coinbase, Fred Elsam, and co-founder of Coinbase. Now, looking at how Rally works in particular, it says currently Rally operates with an invitation only system and a limited capacity, ensuring that every creator's launch is successful. According to its website, Rally is seeking creators with engaged communities who produce consistent content and have strong ideas about integrating their coin into their communities. In order to interact with Rally, fans need to create an account on Rally's website, either by signing up with their email or logging in with their Twitch account. Rally does currently not offer on-chain login through MetaMask. Each crypto coin is launched on Rally's private sidechain. To buy crypto coin, funds have two options: buy RLY on an exchange like Coinbase, Uniswap, KuCoin, Bitstorm, or UB. In that case, the purchase RLY needs to be bridged onto the Rally sidechain to buy creators coins. RLY token is an ERC20 token on Ethereum, so bridging comes with gas fees. Alternatively, you can buy crypto coins directly on the Rally sidechain, either with crypto or via credit card. Each credit card transaction is limited to $500. To sell the crypto coins, you need to verify your KYC. In addition, Rally has so-called flow controls when bridging out from their sidechain. The current limits are as follows: around 50,000 RLY tokens per user per day. The global system marks of 1 million RLY tokens per day. A maximum allowance amount defined as 5% of the total coin supply of any coin over 30 days applies to the entire coin economy. You have individual accrue towards that maximum allowance over 30 days defined per user. The creator coins represent the creator's reputation and are used to reward communities for their loyalty, engagement, and participation, enabling deeper, more meaningful connections. Each creator decides individually which perks and benefits holding their token entails. Coins are traded along a linear token bonding curve that was designed to support larger communities, larger single transaction purchases, and fractional liquidity pools. Token bonding curve is designed as follows. I have total creator coin supply 21 million, Genesis amount 5 billion, and this is just the breakdown of how these percentages are. We have what makes Rally really unique. It says Rally empowers creators and artists to build individual economies around their personal tokens and NFTs in the most seamless, and fearless way. The platform doesn't charge any fees and leaves it to creators to decide if they want to impose a resale fee on your creator coins. So you also have fans receive community rewards and more. In terms of tokenomics, 50% of the supply of RLY is set aside of network rewards. The remaining 50% are distributed as follows. We have seed investors, team advisors, liquidity mining, treasury, developer ecosystem advisors, future collaborators, creator and community partnerships. Some high profile creators on the Rally network include HLTH community, healthcare focused one, Joe Poliza, Kisika Honda, Gary Henderson, Ali Stratza, and more. There was people looking at people's feedback. Under also added that I decided to start this project because I wanted to connect my fans in a more open manner. We haven't decided what to do with the money we make from the token yet, but I promise to consult and disclose this information to all token holders. Another prominent creator coin is that of Chainlink Clark, a UCL basketball player. He launched his coin to build his connection to his fans through various events, such as ticket giveaways. J Rock holders will also have access to exclusive content on his site. So CEO Bremner Morris said the creators are launching tokens to build a long-term connection with their fans and not to turn a quick profit. He believes that Rally can turn the creator-fan relationship into a symbiotic one with the help of social tokens. So that's what we have on Rally tokens. You want to check out this article for more? I'll be dropping the link in the description box so you can check this for more. So Blessed Land article was done by CoinPoop, your guide to blessed land and generational wealth. So guys, peace out. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more uploads. Stay tuned for more. Peace out guys, and much love. Jabaki.